Can Jordan Scott become the first Jamaican male athlete to win World Championship gold in the triple jump? After dominating the Diamond League with a 17.52-meter jump, Scott is now the front runner to claim the top spot in Tokyo this September. With the competition heating up, his rise in the triple jump is impressive. In this video, let's have a look at his journey so far, his record-breaking performances, and what it will take for him to win gold at the World Championships. Let's find out. Throughout the years, Cuba and the Bahamas have been the most dominant Caribbean countries in the men's triple jump at the World Championship and the Olympic level. However, recently, Jamaica has had successful athletes such as Wayne Pinnock, Tajay Gale, and Kerry McLeod take a number of wins in the sport. But things began to shift when 2024 Paris Olympic long jump silver medalist Wayne Pinnock decided to switch allegiance to Turkey, and his countryman triple jump world under-20 record holder Jaydon Hibbert decided to take a similar path. This exodus of athletes left Jamaican fans distraught, but another athlete was coming to save them in the triple jump. This savior is Jordan Scott, who began his outdoor campaign by doing 17.27 meters in Xiamen to become the first Jamaican male triple jumper to win the event at the Diamond League. Since that time, Scott just kept going as he placed first in most of his competitions. His best mark thus far is 17.52 meters in Monaco to win his fourth Diamond League of the season. This 17.52 meter jump makes Jordan Scott the best triple jumper for the outdoor season. With Jaydon Hibbert switching his allegiance to Turkey, Jordan Scott is now the sole Jamaican athlete who will be competing for gold in the men's triple jump. On a good day, the men's triple jump is extremely competitive, with athletes going close to 18.00 meters. Scott has been making massive improvements and is positioning himself to become the first Jamaican male triple jumper to win gold at the World Championship. Jordan Scott's journey in the triple jump is a testament to hard work, dedication, and the relentless pursuit of greatness. As he heads toward the World Championships in Tokyo, all eyes will be on him to see if he can make history. No matter the outcome, Scott's rise to the top has already inspired many, showing that with perseverance, anything is possible. What do you think? Can Jordan Scott handle the pressure and win gold at the World Championships in Tokyo? And can he break the 18-meter mark this season? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your predictions. Also, check out our video on 2025 Xiamen League Review. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all things athletics, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a moment. This is Caribbean Focus Sports, and we'll see you in the next video.